niche simplicity, like blueprint, and understand like what is your niche. Define it, define your goal, define your scope, go deep into the market niche so that you can be different and nobody can touch you. Design your own products, then sell affiliate. Okay, first you need to design your own products, then sell the affiliates. Okay, start a blog, YouTube channel, get traffic before sales, sign up for affiliate programs. Okay, learn how the affiliate program works, add affiliate links to your content, leverage coupon codes, master SEO, create the perfect pitch, get involved in Facebook groups, uh, bookmark affiliate stats in your browser, set up email alerts when a sale is made, build your community, avoid Google penalties, monitor conversion rates, use an affiliate disclaimer, donate to charity, share your success story.